अव्यक्ति परिवार में आपका स्वागत है। आज है दिन 5 दैवी
Om Shanti. You are welcome to Avyakti Parivar. Today's topic is Deity Sanskar, Deity Sansar. We will listen to Sister Mohini now.
ओम शांति।
Om Shanti.
मनुष्य जीवन का सुख और समृद्धि का आधार है उसका
The happiness and prosperity of human being's life is nature,
स्वभाव में
humility in nature, patience in nature, or along with that sweetness.
गुणों का नाम ले सकते हैं।
We can have many virtues,
सतो स्वभाव है
but the sato nature of human beings that will become deity sanskars.
ये तरीका सोचने का कि
The one way is
करना है और एक होता है
what I have to do right now.
संसार को अपने सामने लाओ।
Then bring deity sansar, deity word in front of you, and think about what type of sanskar it will be there in the deity world. According to that, what should be my deity nature? As
रजो का अलॉय निकलता जाता है,
as the alloy of tamo and rajo gets removed, same way there is a stability within the soul. Sometimes Baba says in the Murli, child, never change your mood. But sometimes it happens due to some situation, matter,
स्वास्थ्य के कारण भी
even sometimes due to the health,
होने की संभावना है।
it happens. There is a probability that our nature gets up and down.
परंतु ऐसा अनुभव कहता है
But the experience says,
जब गंभीरता होती है
when there is a maturity, sincerity inside,
समय बहुत मूल्यवान
and the biggest matter is the time is valuable.
किसी भी प्रकार की बात में
Then why, whichever matter or situation it is,
उसके प्रभाव में आके
gets confused within that
के कारण
situation or get influenced by the situation,
मन
or due to the heaviness of that situation, mind gets disturbed and do not remain stable.
हमेशा कहते हैं कि बच्चे
Time is valuable, and Baba always says, this is not the matter of 1 or 2 months, but longer time, the same state of mind should remain.
24 घंटे तो कम से कम रखें रहे कि
At
24
least 24 hours we keep,
कैसा भी वातावरण कैसी भी परिस्थिति
whichever is the environment, whichever is the situation, whatever types of souls we have in front of us, but my soul's nature, I keep so high,
और हर एक आत्मा को कार्य करते समय
and all the souls, when they work with us, they get the benefit from us.
संतुष्टि है
For example, happiness, contentment,
कोई भी कार्य बड़ा
love,
लगता भारी नहीं लगता
then any work does not look bigger
तो इसलिए
and heavy.
बहुत जरूरी है
So it's very important and necessary that we all keep our attention and we keep our satoguni nature.
कोई बहुत
I remember
छोटी छोटी बात में सेंसिटिव होते हैं
there are people who are very sensitive in very small matters, very easily getting insulted. they feel they did not inform me like that. So kind of discontentment. But there are people, there are souls, whatever it is outside, they are content inside. And they feel inside everything will be okay. And Baba always says, child, everything will be all right. So when we keep these good wishes, then it does not influence us. Otherwise, many people says, sometimes we react when we have short-tempered. And when we see such people, we have to be all right in all the matter. We have to be official also while we work, but the nature should not become official. Nature should be such that anyone asking us, then there is a concentration within us. Effort we have to do. There is a effort in that. Such a deity world we have to bring. So we have to make an effort. At the present time, when we experience, if we want to experience deity world, then having deity nature is very important. People do worship of Mahalakshmi. So everyone wants, like in someone's home, when there is a daughter-in-law coming, then they say, we want Lakshmi. And when the nature of the daughter-in-law is not good, they say, the one who has come in our home is not having good nature. So Baba says, if you want to become Lakshmi Narayan, then our nature should be, our wishes should be of self highest respect, and also highest respect and good wishes for every soul. Should never get reduced. Even we do not think that I kept good wishes, but no, there is no result. It came. But in a long run, we do get the results of that. So we keep sweetness, contentment, sincerity. And when always we have such nature, Baba always says nature and feature. People understand by features how is the nature. So therefore, we want that we become Darshaniya Murat. We become the one who gives vision. We become someone who are fulfilled with the attainments. They get the vibrations of our experience.
Baba कौन है कैसे है?
Who is Baba? So Baba's personality should be visible through our features and facial expressions. And by seeing you, everyone says, how such behavior is possible? It should be someone who is from God's family. They should speak that they are the child of God. So our nature reminds everyone about the God and God's personality. So that kind of best thoughts when we have within us, that we will try to fulfill. Divine Sanskar, Divine Sansar, Sato nature. Nature word is very good. The meaning of nature is feelings of self. It is said the self is breast.